Yes, good morning guys, it's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Thursday, the 2nd of August 2018, and this is just a daily video where I go over what I've done on the daily charts on both the mod MACD and the high probability methods. Sadly to report, not much happening. Just have a quick squiz at the news from last night. I stayed up till just after 1:30 a.m. The federal funds rate, as you can see, it remained unchanged, and obviously there wasn't much in the way from the FOMC statement, as I just look at the Euro USD and it hardly moved at all. I think it had about 20 pip range, so nothing doing there at all. Today's news, we've got trade balance out of Oz, which could be a bit of a move for the Aussie. But the big one is at 6 p.m, which is 12 hours about exactly, out of the UK official bank rate, and they're expecting a rise here, so this could be a mover. Half an hour later, the Bank of England Governor Carney speaks, so this could be the big one today. So let's have a look at the charts. Here we go, got to reboot the old computer. Look at the mod MACD first. The Euro USD, even though not much happened, I was in a buy from a few days ago. I've closed that buy this morning, got a confirmed cross back to the below the zero level on the fast MACD, so I took a small loss. I think it's just about 50 pips, 49 pips or something like that. So we're now, I did take the sell, standard MACD super flat, there's no red QMP dot, so there's just not enough criteria met to take that sell, but I've closed the buy, so that buy is no longer in play. Get rid of those. Bummer. Geez, look at that, it's going sideways, isn't it? Everything's going sideways. Oz Japanese yen, I was in a sell from back here, confirmed cross of the fast MACD this morning. Standard MACD's in no man's land. Look, it meets the criteria for buy. Price is closed above the zero level. Got a green QMP dot, but I haven't taken it. I'm just not comfortable at the moment going into that. It's too close. Look, each time it's got up to that 240, it's just bounced back here too. So I'm just going to wait and see how it pans out. I could end up taking this buy, but at the moment, no. Especially with that bullish candle yesterday, and it just doesn't look good. And we've got Aussie news out in about 2.5 hours, major news, so I'm no longer going to sell. I took the loss and sell. I think that was about 66 pips, and so I'm in limbo at the moment. Pound CAD, all I did, I'm going to sell back here. This dotted line is where I basically moved my, closed out half, moved my stop, just a previous low, that's all that was. I have moved my stop down this morning, down from 174,691 down to 173,249. So it's above the 25 SMA, inside the point of entry. With interest rate news out the UK, I'm just protecting this position. You can see it's starting to, the market's starting to slow down. So all I've done is move my stop down on this sell trade. Now let's switch over to the high probability daily charts. Let's have a look at them. I tell you what, it's like watching paint dry recently. It is boring as these markets. Super boring. Alright, here's the high probability, not much happening here either. Euro Aussie, I was in a sell back here, went up close to my stop, came down. I've just decided to close it out. I think it was about a 10 pip loss, but the swap was enough to make it a break-even trade. So that's sell, I'm no longer in it. It's just look, it's just been going sideways forever. Price is below the the MACD Platinum's below the zero level, very flat, blue dot there. Price is sitting on the MAs, no need to be in this trade any longer. Get out of break even, and we'll see how we go. Looking for a possible buy signal, but at the moment nothing. And CAD yen, I was in the sell here. You see it? It was my stop price yesterday, spiked up, stopped me out for loss on the CAD yen. You can see a green dot on the QMP filter, but there's no real chance to take a buy there at all because the MACD is above the zero level. So still waiting on a possible new sell signal or something like that with MACD above the zero level. That's what I'll be looking at. So stopped out on that trade, which is a bit of a bummer. Just that little spike up, and if this rolled over to the downside, I'd be a bit peeved about that, but that's it. That's trading for you. So that's it, guys. 12 hours from now, UK interest rates, that's all I can tell you. A lot of you has probably got that email yesterday. Just they're the sort of questions I get all the time. That's the reason I sent it out. I don't want to bombard you sort of with a lot of emails and that, but just thought it was useful information. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, probably not very exciting, I know, this morning, please subscribe, and if not, just like the button, hit the like button, and I'll chat later. Be careful in 12 hours. See ya.